found a lovely little place to do it. We're going to try and take off these number plates. I think the rears are stuck on and the fronts are screwed on. So we're going to take them off and hopefully just swap them over. Typical British weather, it started raining, but hopefully it will hold out just for a little bit so we can get this done. Give this a bit of a clean. Oh, yeah, that's grim. In hindsight, I wish I brought a sponge, but you live and you learn. That's come up quite well. Right, now get a clean one and try and clean the rest of this sort of water off to make sure it's a nice dry surface. Is this going to be... yeah, it's going to be impossible to get off. We're going to probably have to leave the previous sticker bits on, just because they're going to be impossible to get off for now. What we have to make sure is that we stick these sticky pads around the ones previously used. So I'll try and get one like here, but that is how it will look. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Also trying to make it level as well. That's the other issue we're going to have. Right. What do you reckon there? I mean, we can see where the previous number plate was. I mean, I don't know if I've... yeah, that's on there now. Right, cool. So we're committed to that one. Right, let's just rub that on. Right, so that one's on there. You can see where the previous number plate was. So I actually think I accidentally nailed that, hopefully. We'll leave that cover on until we actually want to put the number plate on. The next one just above there. Now the most important bit, trying to get it level. Right, here we go. So what we're gonna do, because I messed up one sticky pad, we'll get a Stanley knife and carefully just take that off and then peel that one off afterwards. But yeah, there we go, rear one's on, only the front's to go. There we go, all sorted. Managed to get found a Stanley knife in the car, managed to get the last bit of tape off, and now they're all perfectly on there. Looking lovely. Right, shall we do the fronts? For the fronts, I believe, let me check. Yeah, we're going to need a screwdriver to get these two plastic clips off. But then once we've got that, it should be easy enough. Alright, that's one that we're probably never going to need again. There you go. I don't want to round it off, that's terrifying. And that's two of a screw we're never going to need again. Boop. Perfect. Right, time to clean that, dry it, get the number plate on it. Not that one. Alright, go get another one. There we go. Oh, that does look cool, no number plate. So if you're wondering about the gloss black grille, that is the before colour. It's wet at the moment, so it looks a bit better. But yeah, that's the faded plastic and that's the gloss black that it's gone to. Quite a big difference, to be fair, considering how matte and awful it used to be. So this should be easy. Because we've got an indent for the number plate to go in, it'll just be a case of putting one either side, top and bottom. And because we have the indent, we know exactly where it's going to go. There's no worry of getting a pad sticking out slightly. So this should be nice and easy and straightforward. Right, time to put the number plate on. It's time to try and position this as good as we can. Oh, there we go. There we go. Right, now let's just push each side. There we go. And the number plate is on.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms.
Now we just have to hope they make the first trip home from this lovely location. So that was the quickest, easiest install we've ever done. Just a case of taking the number plates off and sticking the new ones on. We've got the number plates from Plate Monkey. I'll put their link in the description and probably put their sort of Instagram on the screen now. But yeah, would recommend. They're really good quality and reasonably cheap considering. I think they're only £55 for the plastic and the carbon gel coat on top. And it has the legal spacing and it has the legal MOT passing stamp as well. They do show plates from I've seen. They do loads of different kinds of number plates. Go check them out, Plate Monkey. They haven't sponsored this video, but the number plates are really good, so I would just like to plug them for that. Right, so as you've seen, we've also bought some window deflectors, so let's install them. Hopefully that'll be nice and easy. And yeah, here we go. Right, so first of all, what you want to do is put all the windows down. Oh, I'm going to need the key. Thank you. Right, take the little sticky tabs off. Oh, all two of them. Take loads of time doing it. Right, then it's a case of just manipulating it in. Easy. Each wind deflector will come with two brackets that you normally put one at the bottom and then one at the top to hold it in place. But this is in there so tight that it might not even need it, to be honest. Alright. Yeah, so this one you definitely, the rears you definitely need the brackets for, because if not that is going to fall out. There we go. It's exactly what you want to do. Just put the little bracket in there. I'll push it in a bit more, to be honest. Or I might not actually be able to. There we go. And that, well, the front is now held up. Now to do the same with the back. Hold on. There we go. Done. The clip is in. And once you put the window up and down a couple of times, it will really push it in. There we go. There we go. Easy, just that simple. Right, nice and easy install. Now I'm going to just do the same on the other side. And that is all the mods done. 4D number plates, wind deflectors. Easy as you like.